You just spent over $1,000 on your iPhone 16 and still ain't using these features? Me-san. Hidden feature number 1, back tap. This is one of those clever iPhone tricks that most people don't even realize exists, but once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Imagine being able to control your phone with just a simple tap on the back. No buttons, no swiping, just a quick tap. With back tap, you can double tap the back of your phone to instantly take a screenshot, launch your camera in a flash, or even lock your screen without fumbling for buttons. It's fast, discreet, and super convenient. To set it up, just head to your iPhone's settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on touch, and then select back tap. You'll find options for both double tap and triple tap actions. From there, you can customize back tap to do whatever you want. Open your favorite app, control accessibility features, or even run a shortcut. It's a small change that can make your iPhone feel brand new. Hidden feature number 2, lockdown mode. This is a powerful security tool built into your iPhone, designed for those moments when you need the highest level of protection. It's not just for tech experts or celebrities, anyone can use it. For real privacy, this mode shuts down hidden vulnerabilities that hackers might try to exploit. It blocks suspicious links, limits message attachments, and even restricts FaceTime calls from unknown people. To activate it, go to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security, and scroll down to find Lockdown Mode. You'll see a detailed explanation of what it does before you turn it on. Only turn it on when you need full protection, like if you're traveling, handling sensitive information, or suspect you're being targeted. It's an extra layer of defense for your digital life. Hidden feature number 3, Pro Camera Grid. If you take photos or record content, this will level you up. Just open camera, tap the little arrow up top, and turn on grid. Hidden feature number 4, Custom Auto Lock Timer. Did you know you can control exactly how long your iPhone screen stays awake before it locks itself? This is a game changer for anyone who needs their screen to stay on a bit longer. For example, if you're following a recipe in the kitchen, you don't want your screen to keep turning off while your hands are messy, or you're in the middle of cooking. Or maybe you're working out and need to keep an eye on your timer, or you're studying and referencing notes on your phone. Keeping your screen awake can make these tasks so much easier. To set this up, just head over to Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness, and select Auto Lock. Here, you'll see a list of time options. You can choose anything from 30 seconds to never, depending on your needs. Pick the option that works best for your lifestyle and enjoy a more convenient iPhone experience. Hidden feature number 5, Message Dictation with Punctuation. In messages, just tap the mic and speak like this. Hey, comma, are you free tomorrow? ? Boom, perfectly typed message just like that. You see, you've been sleeping on these iPhone features. Which one blew your mind the most? Wait a minute. You over here enjoying this and ain't subscribed yet? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. It's free and it helps us keep these tips coming, me-san.